Hey everyone, this is Aaron. Today we're going to talk about just how to repair drywall. Basically we got some torn paper here that we need to repair. I recently removed a vanity that was stuck to the wall here and it just tore out some paper. So we're going to remove it and I'm going to seal that paper so that I can come back and mud it and then come over and paint it. The challenge you have is if you just mud it straight out, it will bubble on you. I've seen some people cut it back and then they will tape it and then mud it. Well, that still will occasionally bubble on you. So I'm gonna just seal it and then go over it with mud. So today I'm using a product called Gardz Surface Sealer. I've used it a couple times. It works pretty well. Haven't had really any problems. But it does take a little time to dry, but otherwise it's not too bad. It works pretty well. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to tear off all of our paper right here like that. I'm just going to use some people use a roller on these, but I'm just going to use just a 2-inch brush here, foam brush. Just go over it. Doesn't have to be super thick, but you want to get it on enough that it covers all. Alright, now that we got that on, we're just going to have to wait for it to dry before we can actually skim coat it. According to the directions, it takes about 30 minutes to dry to the touch and 3 to 4 hours really before you can put a skim coat on it. Some people put 2, but I'll probably just do 1 and then paint it. So, alright. Alright, so we've waited the 3 to 4 hours that are necessary for it to dry. I actually waited a little longer. Had some other things I needed to do, so it's been more than 24 hours. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply a skim coat, just a thin skim coat, and let that dry, and then I'll come back and sand it and see where it's at and if I need another skim coat or not. If I do it right, I really shouldn't need another skim coat. So I just got some just everyday all-purpose joint compound that I got at Menards. I'm just going to use that. Just using about an 8-inch knife really. To me it's all, as long as it covers the tear, I'm good with whatever size knife I got. You can use a bigger one if it's a bigger tear. It really doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and apply a little skim coat here. Now I do have some bubbles in there. I may have to come back and recoat it. We'll see how it goes. I do need to do some sanding with some of this other stuff in here that's causing an issue. But that's pretty much it. Once it's applied, once it's dried, you can come back with, you know, a sanding block or something like that and just dry it down and then, or sand it down. If you need to apply another coat, go ahead and apply another skim coat.